Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the Payne furnace in 2026. Now, before even resetting it, you just have to do one thing in which you just have to first of all turn off the power supply to the furnace. You can use the power switch near the unit or you can turn it off from the breaker panel. This particular step is really very important for safety purposes. After doing so, you just have to look for the reset button. So here, when you open the front panel carefully, its interface is going to look something like this. So over here, you just have to simply look for the reset button, which is usually near the blower motor or burner section. So when you are able to find the reset button, you just have to press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you just have to release it. Now, if in your model you are not able to find the reset button, don't worry, you just have to simply turn the power supply off and wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then you just have to turn it back on. This particular step also acts as a full system reset. After doing so, simply turn the power back on and set your thermostat to heat. Check if the furnace starts normally and begins heating. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.